So let's discuss proper and improper rational fractions. So basically, you have this rational fraction p of x over q of x. It will be a proper rational fraction if the degree of the polynomial p of x in the numerator is less than the degree of the polynomial q of x in the denominator, which that really means is that the highest degree of the variable x in p of x must be less than the highest degree of the variable x in q of x. So for example, you have these three rational fractions. The highest degree of x in the numerator here is 0, and the highest degree of variable x in the denominator over here is 1. So as you can see, 0 is less than 1, so this is a proper rational fraction. Over here, the highest degree of x is this 1, and in the numerator, and the highest degree of x in the denominator is this 2. So 1 is less than 2, so this is also a proper fraction. And similarly in this one, the degree of x, highest degree of x in the numerator is 2, and the highest degree of x in the denominator is 3. So 2 is less than 3, so this is also a proper fraction. So in an improper fraction, if the degree of the polynomial p of x in the numerator is equal to or greater than the degree of the polynomial q of x in the denominator. So for example, you have these three rational fractions. The degree of x, the highest degree of x is 1 over here, the numerator, and the highest degree of x in the denominator is also 1. So they're equal. 1 is equal to 1. So this is an improper fraction. Over in the second example, now it may seem like the highest degree over here is 1 in the numerator and also 1 in the denominator, but don't be fooled. This linear expression in the bracket is being multiplied with this linear expression in the bracket. So once these two brackets are multiplied, the highest degree of x becomes x squared. This is a quadratic equation, and similarly in the denominator we also have a quadratic equation. So the highest degree of x in the numerator and the denominator is 2. So 2 is equal to 2. So this is an improper fraction. Over here in the third example, the highest degree of x in the numerator is 3, and the highest degree of x in the denominator is 2. 3 is greater than 2, so this is also an improper fraction.